Hello, this is Brandon Blantier. We got about a foot of snow in the past few days. We got about 6 inches last night and about another 3 or 4 inches tonight. It's pretty nice. It's good for snow shovelers because it's nice and fluffy. It's so dark out here. My gosh, I need a light. But look, like the snow's like halfway up the tires. I'm gonna go out in it. See, I salted this before it started too, and it looked so cold. I was like 12 degrees. And look at it. Look at the tires too. Like it's like, oh my gosh, I don't even got boots on. I don't have boots, I gotta get some. Like, look at, wait. Like, oh my gosh. Look at this. This is so kicked out, it's not even funny. Like, it's still snowing too. It'll probably get about another inch or two out. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. This is good weather. I love it. I don't care what anybody says. If I had the choice, I would live in Buffalo. I mean, not Boston. Because I love this stuff. It's just a pain in the ass because they got like 6 feet, but still. You know, it's a lot. Please like and subscribe. This is Brandon. This is my new channel on YouTube. I have a few other channels, but follow me on Facebook, Brandon Blantier. Thanks for watching. Bye.